Hello, dear colleagues. Today, I would like to discuss with you a very important topic. I believe that exploring space is pointless usage of our own resources and money. As a professional environmentalist who has spent all his life on protecting our planet, I must say that there are too many paramount problems on our planet that need urgent measures. These are global warming from fossil fuels, food waste, loss of biodiversity, plastic pollution. I could go on and on with naming the problems, but I'm more than sure that you have already understood my point of view. Do you have something to add, Simone?
Yeah, I've been thinking a lot about space exploration, and while I do support it, I can't help but feel concerned about whether we might be amassing too many resources in the pursuit of outer space. It's not that I think it's a waste of money, but I worry that we are sidelining Earth's immediate problems. So I think it's crucial to prioritize mitigating those problems before spending so many resources into outer spaces.
Well, to tell the truth, that's not how I see it. Such sophisticated technologies as GPS or mobile communication wouldn't have been possible if it hadn't been for space exploration. That is why I'm sure investing in space programs will eventually facilitate problem solving far beyond the realm of cosmology.
Speaking of technology, I see where you're coming from, but I believe we should make the most of what we have on Earth. Those technology which you mentioned, like wireless communication, GPS, and photovoltaic energy, are already ubiquitous. And rather than launching them into space, we should harness and utilize this technology to address our energy needs and enhance our own infrastructure.
Thank you, Simone. Furthermore, let us not forget that the needs of humanity should always come first. While there are people on Earth who are in jeopardy and need help, they must be helped, rather than spending money on launching robots onto other planets. Humanity is the number one priority, and maintaining the human race alive is a necessity. What do you think, Tim?
Well, I have a different perspective on that. My company, for example, has already launched space tourism programs. This initiative alone will create a whole new sector of economics with thousands of new jobs. And the taxes from this sector can be utilized to address the most pressing issues here on Earth.
Yes, but why take so much time and money on space traveling when we know so little about our own? We should learn more about Earth and the ocean, which is still a gray area to us, before wasting time and money on space exploration. Don't you think so,
Yeah,
Simone?
Yeah, and by the way, space traveling is undoubtedly exciting, but let's talk about the cost and feasibility. Launching missions, developing propulsion systems, and building orbital infrastructure come with a hefty price tag. And in my opinion, we should be more focused on addressing what's viable and feasible on our own planet.
Well, I believe that curiosity and desire to explore are ingrained in humans, and I can't see why we shouldn't step outside the boundaries of our home world and explore space. Given the possibilities that are hidden there, I would insist that humanity should never stop exploring space.
Yeah, I think to somehow conclude our discussion, uh, I must say that adaptability and versatility are essential when dealing with the complex issues as life on Earth and space exploration. And I believe we have to balance our resources, both material and non-material, to ensure a sustainable approach in the development of our society. So, colleagues, thank you for your precious opinion. It was pleasant to explore something new in your points of view.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.